Marine nutraceuticals and functional food. Hippocrates of Kos, the Greek physician, referred to as father of medicine, said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." In this way he underlined the direct link between diet and human health. Consumer products such as dietary supplements, nutraceuticals, and functional food can reduce the risk or stop the progress of chronic diseases. Dietary supplements are sold as pills, powders, or other medicinal forms. They supplement the diet with healthy ingredients such as vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Nutraceuticals not only supplement the diet, but also support treatment and prevention of diseases. Functional food is similar in appearance to conventional food, but due to enrichment in some components, it is beneficial for health promotion and maintenance. Marine organisms, mainly macroalgae, crustaceans, fish and fish byproducts, and also microalgae, are the most widely used marine sources of healthy food or functional ingredients such as polysaccharides, omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, chitin, chitosan, fish protein hydrolysate, collagen, glucosamine, pigments, vitamins, and minerals. Brown, green and red algae are edible and unconsumed directly as sea vegetables, mainly in Asian countries. Consumption of seaweeds helps to fight obesity, reduce blood pressure and cholesterol level. It also protects from neurodegenerative diseases. Some seaweeds are known to contain bioactive compounds that have antiviral, anti-inflammatory, anticoagulant, and antioxidant activity. Supplementation of food with algal components also has beneficial effect on our health. Algal polysaccharides, namely alginate from brown algae, agar and carrageenan from red algae, have thickening, stabilizing, and emulsifying properties and constitute an important ingredient of food and beverages. Algal polysaccharides also have antithrombotic, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antidiabetic, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer activity. When a food product contains alginate, agar, or carrageenan, you should find their symbols on the label: E406, 407 or 408. These algae components are added to such food products as ice cream, cakes, jellies, milk drinks, bread, beer, canned food, soups, sausages, and casseroles. Alginate is also added to pet food and fish food. Agar is a popular vegetarian alternative to gelatin. Besides seaweeds, polysaccharides are also obtained from shellfish waste, from clams, mussels, oysters, scallops, cockles, and crustaceans, and from cell wall of fungi. Chitosan and chitin derivative from the shells of crustaceans has the ability to absorb fat. Therefore, in Japan, it is added to food products, for example to potato chips or noodles, as anti-cholesterol agent. Due to polycationic character and antimicrobial activity, chitosan is used as food preservative, which extends the shelf life of food products, for example milk and fruit juice. Nanofilm edible coating is applied directly on the surface of fruit to prevent the microbial spoilage. Chitin is also a source of glucosamine, which belongs to the most widely consumed marine products. It's mainly used as dietary supplement for the prevention or treatment of osteoarthritis. Glucosamine is also added to beverages and food products such as yogurt or cereal. Long-chain omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids from oil of cold water fish are other widely consumed marine products. Beneficial health effects of omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, especially the long-chain eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid, in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases are well documented. Long-chain fatty acids are also important factors in prevention and treatment of certain types of cancer. They have positive effect on inflammatory response and regulate proper development and function of brain and nervous system. According to WHO recommendation, the daily intake of eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid should be 250 mg. In case of pregnant or lacting women, the daily intake should be increased to 300 mg per day. However, the amount of fish in so-called Western-style diet is too low to supply the recommended minimum of long-chain fatty acid. Therefore, to increase the intake, different food products enriched in omega-3 fatty acids are offered on the market. The use of fish oil is challenging and sometimes can have an effect on product stability, odor and taste. However, the application of new technologies, including oil microcapsulation, deodorization, addition of antioxidants, can help to avoid the problems. To increase the omega-3 fatty acids in meat, eggs and dairy products, algae, fish or fish oil is used as feed for line hen, dairy cattle and bovine farms. Besides fish, omega-3 fatty acids are found at high levels in various species of macroalgae, but also in microalgae, for example diatoms and dinoflagellates. Omega-3 fatty acids obtained from algae have relatively higher oxidative stability compared to fish oils. Another benefit of so-called omega-3 biotechnology is that the products can be consumed by vegetarians. The algae omega-3 ingredients market is driven by the strong demand for infant formula, especially in developing countries such as China. The market of long-chain omega-3 fortified food products is projected to grow at nearly 14% per annum and is predicted to exceed $25 billion by 2022.